KONGO people have been poisoned, especially right there in the state of Nyadi. What is the state of Nyadi? Where it is located? I'm gonna just bring the map and I'm gonna show you the map. Just give me a second. I'm just gonna go grab the map and show you guys where is the Nyadi state is located. This is our life. Right? We have to fight for our people. We have to fight for our land, and we have to protect our natural resources. And that's why they're killing us. They're trying to exterminate us, to wipe us from our land, so they can recuperate our land, our natural resources. Though they are getting into a kind of alliance with the Rwanda people, especially Mr. Kagame, as you can see here. He's the one who's working with Ngwebso Mathurin Albert, the guy you are calling Sassou Nguesso Denis. But we know that the United States of America is bringing a lot of support to this guy, Kagame. So we do not understand here what is the United States' role here. Do the United States of America has blessed for the extermination of the Congo people inside their land? That's a question we need, leader in the US to respond. That's a question we want Mr. Trudeau, Prime Minister of Canada, President Biden, President of the United States of America, so many African leaders, they have to answer that question. Why there is a lot of silence on the poison that they are spraying within the Congo territory right there in Nyadi, right? We need an answer, and we need a quick reaction of whoever is calling himself a leader. That's the moment. This is the right time that we have to see your leadership with the Congo matter. If you don't intervene, it's mean like you are part of that deal. Exterminate the Congo people, killing the Congo people. So you are blessing the most criminal guy. So don't blame the Congo people when the action will come. When at the time, because at this moment of time, we are facing a genocide through a poison. The ricin, that's what they're using, the ricin they're using. So the state of Nyadi, right? We were a state of Nyadi. I'm gonna just bring the state of Nyadi to show you guys where is the state of Nyadi is. Just give me a couple of seconds. I'm very close to this state of Nyadi. I'm going then to pull up this map. This is the Congo Federation map. I'm going to try to zoom in. The state of Nyadi is here. You see, that's Nyadi. Nyadi, the state of Nyadi. As you see, all of this is state of Nyadi. It's one of the state, one of the 5 huge territory within the Congo Federation, the state of Nyadi. State of Nyadi is under the leadership of our brother Birangi. Birangi is he live in the state. I'm gonna bring some picture of. Let me pull up first some picture before I get out from here. I'm gonna just open this picture just to put it aside. I'm gonna just put it aside. And I'm gonna just pull up one of the picture again. One more. I'm gonna take this. This is the good one. I'm gonna put it there. And I'm gonna open up this one too. The state of Nyadi, as you can see it here, right? I'm gonna try to bring it in a big map so you can see how it looks here. So this is state of Nyadi. I'm gonna try to zoom in. Look at state of Nyadi. This is state of Nyadi. State of Nyadi. Right? It is within the Congo Federation. We are a lot of testimony coming from our people. They're saying that they start to see the same sign of this poison in different territory right there within the Congo Federation. For example, the state of Luango, people have been talking about that. This is the kingdom of Luango, the kingdom of Luango, right, on the map. And they are also talking about the same sign of poison that the Rwanda people are working together with Mboshi under the leadership of Ngwebso Maturin Albert, the guy that you are calling Sassou Nguesso-Deni. This is the state of Lekumu. I want to bring again one more state or two more states. This is the state of Buenza here, as you can see. And lastly will be the state of Mpangala. It is here. I'm going to try to open it. This is state of Mpangala. State of Mpangala. Okay? So I'm going to remove this, and then I'm going to bring the leader of each territory. The 5 territories, they are bound together, and they are calling themselves the Congo Federation, a new state right there in Africa. And this is why the Moshi, they have accelerated with the partnership, the Rwanda people, the French, because the French are the mastermind beyond the extermination of the Congo people. The Palais d'Élysée, what we call the Palais of Élysée, is the leader of what is happening here. None of their media is talking about that, right? Now I'm going to just try to remove this and then bring the leader of each of this territory here. You also will understand that we now 2 different countries. The Congo Federation is here, right? And this part here, that's what called the Republic of Congo under the leadership of Ngwebso Maturin Albert. But please remember, even the territory, this territory here of the Republic of Congo, belong to the Congo people. This is our land. It's our land. Our ancestral never met all of this population. At that time, they were brought in by the French under the colonization time, right? It's now 2 countries, but our land, it's been occupied under a military force, and that force is committed crime every day, genocide every day, right? All of this is being written, even the United Nations report. If you go in so many reports, you will find out on what we are talking here, right? So there is no lie here. This is 100% truth. Every fact are there. We have shown everything. The testimony of their own crime. They have presented everything under the video. I'm going to try to play a couple of examples in here. Huh? So now, this is now the Republic of Congo under the leadership of Ngwebso Maturin Albert here. This is the Republic of Congo. But please remember, this land also belongs to the Congo. But now, at this moment of time, the Congo want to take where the people is mostly concentrated, right? Right? That's what the Congo want to control now. And then in the future, later on, we will decide together with our people what we be going to do with this part of this land. So the Congo Federation is here, this part here. This is the Congo Federation. Try to zoom in. Again, this is the Congo Federation. As you can see, Kingdom of Luango here, Njinji, that you used to call Pointe Noire, the state of Nyadi, that's where we have seen a huge scale of the population are being poisoned. Yeah, are being poisoned by Ngwebso Maturin Albert. You have a state of Lekumu, state of Buenza, state of Mpangala, with Brazzaville, what they calling Brazzaville, but we have changed the name. It's now we call it Mfuatandala. That's our ancestral was calling that area, that city, foi or thunder. Right? We are now two different countries. The leadership, who are the leader of this territory under the Congo Federation Council, the only organization, the only people in charge of leading the Congo Federation until our people will be totally free, until our people will take the control of their land. They will organize themselves to protect each other. They will now control the natural resources. They will be choosing whatever partner they want to work with. That's the good way to do things, right? People have to be free to select which partner is coming, which kind of interest is going to bring in, and what are also my interests that I have to protect. So we have to work together with the right partner, protect each other's interests, and so we can prepare a better future. That's why inside the Congo Federation Council, we need contract, right? We don't like the expression deal, right? We don't like it, right? We need contract, something written, you know. Our people will see that, will know, they will accept, and it's going to be a huge agreement between you, partner, and us for a long term, right? That's where we will be building trust each other. We will build that country together. We will protect each other's interests together. And please remember, we always respect our word. Always respect our word. If you are coming in a good faith, a good partner, this is going to be forever a contract, right? That's what our people need, because we want to, we want to put in place here a peace for minimum 100 years. Minimum 100 years. So we can build. You can imagine if you put your investment, what will be the return of your investment in long term, right? We will be, it's a win-win here in the Congo Federation. So we need the right partnership. I'm going to go back. I'm going to just try to bring you the leader under the Congo Federation Council, so you can know them. You can know them better, right? You can know these people. Who are them? You can know their face. This is trustful people, Yeah. These people here is people who've been working for so many years. We have developed trust, and we have the same vision. We're talking in one voice, same vision. We are walking on the same path. There is no return, irreversibility. This is the king of Luongo is here. Is here. This is our leader in the territory, the kingdom of Luongo. His name is Sa Majesty Tikaya Zinga I. This is our leader. He's here. Then we will go in the state of Nyadi. That Nyadi, as you can see here, Nyadi, it's where a genocide is happening under the empoisonment of our people. They're poisoning our people, right, in Nyadi. So this is a state that's been run by our brother Birangi, which is right now is living in the United States of America. It is your product. Birangi is your product. We have to work together to protect our product. That's the way it is. Right? We have to build trust in each other. You know us better. Right? We have worked in a huge company, huge corporation. You know our integrity, right? Let's make it to happen quickly. This is the brother Birangi. He's a governor of state of Nyadi. He's here. Brother Birangi. And I'm going to bring myself. This is me, Prince Mikael Pongi 7, the governor of 2 states. I'm representing 2 states within the Congo Federation for now. At a certain point when the Congo Federation will be settled, I will be releasing 1 state, which is the state of Lekumu here, to one of the brother or sister within the Lekumu territory. And I'm also leading the state of Buenza, where I'm coming from. Then you will have the state of Mpangala here. This is our government. Her name is Olga Duchemin. She lives in California. She's here, a tough woman, you know. She works hard, you know, a woman who has a vision, who think about how to take care of people around her, take care of family. She is, you know, somebody who is married. She has a husband, she has a kid, she has a job. She is an entrepreneur, you know. We are empowering women in the Congo Federation. We are empowering women in the Congo Federation through our sister Olga Duchemin. The Congo Federation will be the land where the women will be, you know, equal to the men. Same possibility. They will be going to study. In the meantime, they're studying, they're working. The children are being, people are taking care of the children, you know. We can bring the women in the control, you know, giving the power of decision to the women. That's a vision you have to, you know, protect. That's a vision you have to bless. That's the vision you have to come and support. In the Congo Federation, we are doing that. She's leading the state of Mpangala within the Congo Federation. I'm going to remove this, and then I'm gonna get back here. This is the Congo Federation. The Congo Federation is right there in the center of Africa. That land that everybody wants, but they don't want the people. They just want that land because the land is blessed by Nzambi Mpungu. We call him Nzambi Mpungu, right? The first, the creator. That's what we call him, Nzambi Mpungu. If you zoom in, you will see the Congo Federation there, right there. This is the Congo Federation. In the north of the Congo Federation is the Republic of Congo, with the leadership of. In the west, you have Gabon. In the east, you have a DRK. That's what we call it. Yeah? You call it DRC, but we call it DRK because this Congo doesn't make any sense. In the south, you have Angola by Cabinda. In the southwest, you have Atlantic Ocean. This is a deep sea, Atlantic Ocean. So the Congo Federation is very strategic, right? In what we call the Gulf of Guinea, very strategic area. This is what you need. The land is full of whatever natural resources, you know, raw material, oil, gas, you know, different mineral. That's why they're killing us. But you don't need to kill the Congo if you want to go in the trade. It's just a matter of respecting the people and coming. Ideally, originally the Congo are, you know, great people, right? We don't want you to replace us by other, like the Rwandese people, no. You have to be a man or a woman. Come and discuss with us. The Congo Federation, you know us better. We are everywhere, right? That's the way we have to do things here. So, our people are being exterminated by the poison at this moment of time. But they try to call it epidemia. It's not an epidemia. Right? If you see the symptoms of what our people are facing right there in the state of Nyadi, right? That symptom is equal to the symptom that somebody who is being poisoned under the ricin, right? Same one. And we, at the time we are burying our people, they are outside, they are doing a party, drinking together with Kagame, as you can see them here, right? Here, getting some, they're trying to praise him, give him all the recognition that with Kagame, they are in partnership, right? Kagame has sent this guy there. So the Rwanda in our land has become enemy because they are working together with Ngweso Matura Albert and destroying our people. As you can see them again here. They are toasting champagne. In the meantime, and this is happening today in Rwanda, Kigali. In the meantime, our people are being killed. Our people are dying like, how I can explain it? Like Mustico, right? We are burying our people there. They are toasting here what they have done on the Congo land and what they have done to the Congo people. The plan is known. They have used guns. They have used poison in the water in the past. They have gunned down, bombed some village. So many. They have written a report how many they have to kill, how many they have to push outside of the country. All of this is well known. Written on so many reports. But the world cannot listen. They closing their hearing. No one want to listen. The suffering of the Congo. So we have to take care of ourselves. Our own people have to engage themselves to protect the land, to prepare to protect the children, to protect the women, and to protect our natural resources. That's the only thing we can count on, right? They are toasting here. Today, that's where they're doing all of this. They are so happy on what they're doing on our land. And this is that son that part of this deal of exterminate the Congo people. This son of Ngweso Matura Albert, the son of Sassou Nguesso, one of the worst criminals of our generation. He's on every crime, blood crime, money laundering, stealing everything, destroying the Congo people. That son is here. They are all there. They are enjoying the crime they are doing on our people. But the Congo time has come to seek for justice, to protect the people, to protect our land. I hope that after watching this video on English, tomorrow there will be a decision and the last door will be opening so we can put in place this army to protect the Congo, and so we can work together by developing this country, protecting each other's interests. Please remember, there is a petition of the Congo autodetermination is being going. Today, we have almost 51,000 Congo under the chief of family, the chief of village, you know, the chief of counties are signing the petition. Did you hear that? This is a first time in the history of the Congo people to get together, to talk in one voice, to walk in one street, in one path, in one direction. Is the first time. Before, the Congo would not do that, such thing like that. But now, they are facing a situation that they have to decide about their future, about their children, which is no more living with criminals, no more living with people who always spread hate. Even though we have received them in our land, we provide them shelter, we give them land, we give them jobs, we give them everything, including our daughter or our son, so they can marry them. But at the end, they have turned their back on us. They want to exterminate us and take our land. Right? If you were in a Congo situation, I'm pretty sure that you will be taking a decision to try to protect your family, protect your village. And that's the right thing to do. Because this is part of a human body who wants to survive. But the Congo never went to war against these people. Because we always live with them, we have given them everything, but they are a secret mission of trying to exterminate all of us. So they can keep taking, you know, honey, milk that we have in our land. And this has to stop. That's why the chief of family, the chief of village, the chief of city, countries, big families, what we usually call in our language patriarchs, the family that have a huge legacy in the Congo family, they are signing a petition. They say no more living with these people. And now, the Moshi and the Rwandi partner, they have launched a massive operation to try to exterminate all by using a poison. At the moment that I'm doing this video, we are losing a lot of us. A mother who's losing the only 3 children that she has. They're dying because of this poison. Nobody is talking about this. What do you want us to do? We have to fight for our life, protect our people. Hopefully, tomorrow we'll be getting that phone call. We say, hey, Mr. Pongi, we got your message. Put your brother and sister within the Congo Federation Council together. Let's move forward with whatever you are asking. And we need to put in place a down force. We will right away trying to secure the land, secure the people, and protect the natural resources. Thank you for watching this video.